know what you're doing? What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Sport Mode, and I just wanted to take a second to start this video off right off the top by saying God is great, God is awesome, because I'm sure you've seen from the title of the vlog that my wife was in a bad accident, and she was able to walk away with no injuries whatsoever, not even a scratch. And to make things even more intense, you know, she was in that accident right after she dropped our girls off. And if our girls would have been in that car, they most certainly would have fatally been injured, you know. So I just want to take a second to say thank God. And, you know, you got to take a second out your day, man, to acknowledge your blessings, because something of that magnitude, you never know when it's going to happen. So I just wanted to start the video off with that. And if it's your first time logging on to my channel, I would ask that you please subscribe, like, leave a comment, whether it be good or bad. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a video. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Let's get to the video. Now, unfortunately, I was under the impression that I was going to be bringing y'all some super dope content because, you know, our club was approached to be in a music video, and it was all types of beautiful cars there. But I was only able to stay there for a second and get just a little bit of content because, you know, after I got the phone call that my wife was in an accident, I dropped everything and had to go, you know, up and go. So I'm going to bring y'all just a few clips from what the video is looking like so y'all can see how dope it was. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to mute out some of it and, you know, throw some music over it so that we don't infringe on nobody's copyrights. But other than that, check that out, man, and we'll get back to the accident. So we starting to shoot. They want us to turn our headlights on. And they finna start recording. Bringing y'all that Detroit content. You know we do.
your man, homie. Let's hang up on you for money. They ain't know what I ain't on. But it's been like a tornado. They don't really wanna play though. Oh, look, I'm the man in this bitch. Let me grab a toy, since you think I'm playing this bitch. I should get high, you won't see me laying this bitch. Peter Piper with the pipe, Peter Pan in this bitch. If I
So yeah, y'all, that was just a little bit of footage from the video shoot. I wanted to stay longer, you know, because a lot more cars came after that. But like I said, I had to get back to my situation with my wife. So without further ado, man, I know you're probably anticipating the damage to see, you know, what all got messed up when she got into the accident. And, you know, I don't do clickbait. So, as I said, my wife wrecked my car. I'm going to show y'all where she wrecked it at. Right there. Oh, I know you ain't think she got into no accident in Blu Majik, did you? Can't let that happen now. But thanks for watching this video. If I've entertained you or satisfied your boredom, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop you a dope video. Peace.